So we've just come to watch the new welcome show. Nick's just gone to get popcorn. What she doesn't know is that Duffy is in the show, so I cannot wait to see her face. So I will do a bit of filming with it and I'll show you her reaction.
Rejoins-nous et suis-nous.
Have you seen me dance?
The more the merrier. Come on, step in time.
Okay, why not?
Let's give it a try.
As you walk down Main Street, one little man, Main Street, USA.
Surprise! Surprise!
Steve! Max, what are you doing here? What's going on?
Salut papa! Aujourd'hui n'est pas un jour comme les autres!
I think that's fun!
Hey Dago, mets ton fait une tête! Que se passe-t-il? On a besoin de toi!
Oui!
On s'active pour préparer la fête!
Papa!
T'es en retard!
Il ne manque que toi! Nous fêtons 25 années! 25 years, that's a party!
Bonjour, bonjour! Je dirais les bus, bonjour tout le monde!
Vous êtes mes meilleurs amis!
Bonjour les amis!
Say goodbye! Wow! Talk about a surprise! Partons tous en mission. Tout le monde est prêt? Rangers de l'espace, en avant!
salut pour cet incroyable rendez-vous. Faisons cela tous ensemble. Avec moi, tapons des mains, chantons et dansons.
As if we ran.
We're failures.
So we just literally ran from the
castle.
Yeah, the castle to these doors.
Next to It's a Small World.
Yeah, and into the
pretty much into the
backstage.
Backstage.
We were just speaking to a cast member, and she said if we ran to the doors, we might be able to meet Duffy, but he wouldn't stop. Cast member that was with him said no, which makes us very sad.
We ran for him.
So we're going to go and see if we can do Big Thunder now, because we haven't yet done that.
And haven't done Big Thunder.
And then probably go and sit somewhere and die, because we're like
starving, living on no energy, no sleep,
and just
ran like a marathon.
So we are going to go and do Big Thunder, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Hi, Mickey. Hello. Thank you.
Oh, thank you, Mickey.
Thanks for the picture.
She's coming. Very good. Don't tell too many.
For a second.
If I get can you just move here? I had to use Nicola's book. They went on to do something. You've got mine.
We met Minnie today as well. Would you mind signing it?
Oh. And the mini flowers like this.
Oh.
Oh, sorry. Can you just move here?
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Mickey. 1, 2, 3. And it's 1. And the kiss on the cheeks together.
It's a big phone, I know.
Mickey's phone.
That's my favourite one. I've had him for a very, very long time. Always carry him when I come to Disney.
Don't forget to come for the picture.
Thank you, Mickey.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.
We have been waiting in the queue for 50 minutes, but we're finally going on Big Thunder Mountain. We're at the back row, so we are waiting for the train. Bless you.
This is the only train I want to wait for today, but it's not going to be the only one.
Yeah, makes me sad.
Glasses, cause this here's a
Wildest ride in the wilderness. is now goodbye to Disneyland Paris. It's been such an amazing trip. We don't want to go home. We're going to get emotional, so we're probably going to finish this part of the vlog here. Because we need to go and get our train, go and get our luggage. Get our luggage first, then get the train.
Hopefully not the other way around.
Yeah. And then make our way out. So, yeah. So we will do all that.
See you on the Eurostar.
See you on the train.
Bye Disneyland.
Bye Disneyland Paris.
So sad.
We're at the train station now, so we'll update you later. Let's go. Oh, that's nice.
So we're now on the train. Can't do it. It was delayed. It was meant to be in the 16:52, and it left at
Almost
no
10 past.
18:52.
Yeah.
And it left at 19:07.
So we're very
means that our
delayed.
Eurostar is.
So our train for the Eurostar is at 8:30, and it is now 7:15, and we've
just left, pretty
Yeah,
much.
we've been on this train for about 10 minutes.
Not even that.
So we're very worried at the minute that we're going to miss the other train. So hopefully we won't.
Fun and games. We'll keep you posted.
Hopefully we won't, because I really don't fancy sitting in Lille until another train. Even if I don't even know if there is another train. We could always come back to Disneyland.
Yeah, I think they're going to pay for another train anyway because this
have
wasn't
to.
our fault. So we just get a train back to Disneyland to stay for another night, go in the parks again tomorrow, and then just go back tomorrow.
That would be such a good idea if that happened.
Like seriously, I'm not even kidding. I will put it on my credit card. My credit card won't thank me for it, but it will happen.
One night
Pass discount.
One night in Disneyland Hotel, please. Ching. We'll keep you posted. Fingers crossed we won't. I don't know what I would want more. We have just reached the first stop. This is the time. We have,
hate our lives.
yeah, we have like
We're leaving
probably.
Disney, and not only that, we're going to be stuck in Paris, in the middle of France.
This is just too scary now. Too scary.
It's just getting a bit much. I've never.
20 past. We've got an hour until our next train. It's going to leave us with like 10 minutes to do all security and stuff.
Run, Forrest, run! So, we're on the train. Obviously we're delayed, so Sophie is currently on the phone to Eurostar. I would say she's on hold.
Been on hold for 13 and so minutes. 12 minutes.
So we're trying to let them know that we're delayed and we should hopefully be there at some point. Yeah. But I don't think they're going to answer now, are they?
I don't think we're going to get this
By the time
train.
we get there,
Yeah.
by the time we get there, they'll probably still not answered.
No.
But we've been reading through the terms and conditions to see if we can like go to Eurostar and see if they'll book us another train or something. And I think they will. The through ticket it's called, so hopefully. As you can see, we're a little bit tired. I've got like massive bags under my eyes.
I keep closing my eyes.
Do what I did the other night.
Yeah.
Just blink every now and then.
I just felt something
So,
drop.
yeah.
I wondered what it was.
It was just my annual pass.
Hello? No. Music again.
I've got a very unhappy Sophie with me. This is the face I have to sit next to. That was not the one I was talking about. There it is. Keep you updated.
Finally got through to them.
Yeah. Okay. I was just checking through on your on the information on your websites. Yeah, they're going to put us onto the next train. Hello? Cut off. Poor phone. At least we've spoken to him. He said not to worry. He said to run as fast as we possibly can. No, we just waiting for our next train, but it's going to come along any minute. So if I quickly go, yeah. Yeah. We made it!
Yeah, and the
train's delayed by 10 minutes.
It was delayed by 10 minutes, so we've literally just made it by the scrap of our teeth. So we're gonna go get on the train now.
We made it.
We are now back on home turf. Thank
We
the
made
Lord.
the train.
Yeah, so we got the train.
fine.
It was delayed, but we managed to get on it. We were sat at the platform for like what, 10 minutes, which was really annoying.
Literally running.
Yeah, I had a bit of a palaver in the insecurity where they asked me to take my iPad out of my bag because they asked me if I had electronics, and I told them. So they wanted the iPad out the bag, but I thought it was in my rucksack, but it was actually in my case, so it was a lot of faffing and held up. So then we literally ran for the train, and it was late
And it wasn't
anyway.
even that.
Yeah. So we've just literally arrived back in Ebbsfleet now. It's what, 9:15 or something like that?
No, I think it's...
Oh no, it's 9:10 now. So
I've had a nap, so I look like shopping.
Nick had a nap on the train, and we finally had something to eat because we literally haven't eaten a thing all day, and we've shared a bottle of Diet Coke, haven't we? That's all we've had today.
So we were pretty hungry.
Yeah.
So we had some nice food.
Yeah, so we've had some food. We're going to drive home now, and we will officially end the vlog when I get home. See you in a bit.
Hey guys, so it's the next day. We didn't end the vlog yesterday because by the time we got home we were so tired.
I passed out my chicken nuggets.
Yeah, went
Literally, they're still on the side.
chicken nuggets.
Which is unlike me.
So
tired.
by the time we got home it was like nearly 2 AM, so we went straight to sleep. So this is my room. Nicola is at my house until tomorrow, which will be Sunday. So we are now spending the evening doing some more crafting.
Yay!
So we're trying to be as quiet as we can because my little brother is sleeping next door. So
This
yeah.
is not quiet.
So we're just going to be doing a bit of this tonight, and then I am vlogging on my phone for this video because my camera has died.
Because we used it too much.
Yeah.
I don't want to go. So we're watching a Disney film.
Yeah.
We're watching Descendants.
If it plays.
Which it's a bit jumpy, but we're watching Descendants.
Yeah.
I love this film. Sophie's never seen it.
No.
We've attempted to watch it the past couple of nights,
Yeah.
but she keeps falling asleep and she doesn't see the end.
I know. Hopefully I'm going to be awake for the end of this one.
Yeah.
So I've watched about an hour in and haven't fallen asleep yet. So we'll see how we get on.
We're going good.
We're going good. Then it's Lizzie McGuire next.
Yes!
Because we've been talking about ideas for holidays next year. So Rome came up, and then we were like, ooh, Lizzie McGuire.
Lizzie McGuire. Oh my god. For like the third time this week.
So we will
Yeah.
carry on with this, and we'll show you a bit later.